Alright guys, today we have a new angle grinder. Got one electric one until we upgrade air compressors. This is at Home Depot right here. Here is the specs on the back. 7.5 amp and a 4.5 inch disc. 11,000 RPM. And it weighs 4.5 pounds, so it's not super heavy. As you open the box, it comes with one official Makita disc. That's rated at 13,300. And it's for metal grinding, which we will test its ability right here. We gotta clean this up before we prime that and paint it like the rest of this that I did with a different one, different angle grinder. And these are made in Thailand. Let's see, got the guard. Now this, instead of having the side switch on these, so there's two different kinds. There's a PB and a PC, I think. There's a different number right next to it on the shelf. And the other one had the switch on the side for on off, and this one has the lever on the bottom. Push this down, and now the thing goes. And I think I'm gonna like the full handle on a little bit better. Here's the official thing, info on the tool. We gotta put on our guard. It does have a lock, and it does come with the official Makita tool to change the disc. So we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna get this on there and tighten it down before we put the disc on. Now it doesn't say it anywhere on the box, and it doesn't say what particularly this is right here. I believe that it might be the number for the type, but this one is a type 27 T27. Got this northern tool, and this is like the common size, and that fits just the same as this one. So type 27 wheels. Take this piece, put it on, use your tool, and we're about ready to start. All right, so I bought an electric tool this time because I have a very nice air grinder, but my compressor is not strong enough to meet the CFM requirements. And that air grinder spins at 12,000 RPM. This one spins at 11,000 RPM. In theory, the air one's more, yes, but it was cheaper for me to just go buy this than to replace my 5 horsepower compressor with a 7.5 or a 10. That would have been probably $1,500 plus versus this tool was $100. And as you can see here, it's gonna take me a while to go down this line, but just in those few minutes, it is chewing it up nicely. And so what I was doing on here, I would just turn it kind of sideways like this. That way I'd get the right shape that was needed to make it like a flush looking thing. But so I'm going to try to continue that, but it definitely has enough power to do what I'm doing right here, which is extended grinding. For the home person who just needs it occasionally to grind some corners before welding, this is definitely what you're looking for. It's all you're gonna need, and it's only $100 versus some of the higher priced ones. So this is my review of this Makita angle grinder, and I think I do like the hand grip. I do like the hand lever versus the button. That's my preference. But thanks for watching.